everybody, this is Leon with AGJ, and today we're going to be testing AGJ's security solution against a ransomware infection. In this example, I've aggregated a great deal of malware I found over the years and have it neatly packaged in a zip ready for my download. Now when I press this download link, my download is set to auto run, so in the event that this is in fact a malicious file, AGJ's security solution should catch on that I am downloading something that is in fact malicious and begin to disrupt my internet connection, obstructing the malware from making any callouts to the world that would further infect my PC and my network. So let's go ahead and put that to the test. I'm going to go ahead and hit this download link. And it's going to ask us to register, but we don't need to do that. And as this download goes on, we should see, oh, there it goes, a network failure. And so now our internet connection should be off. We'll go try that by going to Amazon. And as you can see, our internet access is in fact blocked. So it looks like our computer lives another day without infection. Thanks for joining me on this quick showcase of just a small part of AGJ's security solution. I truly appreciate your time spent here with me, and I hope you have a great day.